Hello guys, welcome to another brand new videos. You are watching ProWebTips.com YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can install WordPress in a Docker container. So it will take just 5 minutes to install your WordPress in local computer. So first of all we are going to download Docker. So you need to open docker.com and download Docker desktop. So if you are using Mac, then you can download for Mac, and if you are using Linux, so you can directly use terminal to download Docker container. So it is very easy. I have already downloaded, so and also installed, so I'm not going to install again. So just I'm going to run the Docker app. So you can see I have already installed, so I'm going to open it. Okay, Docker is running now. uh, as you can see, is there only one um, service running on the Docker. So I'm going to install WordPress. So what you need to do, open again your browser and go to hub.docker.com, then search here WordPress. Okay, you can see the official image of WordPress. So click here and you will see the full command. So just copy and open your terminal, okay, and paste here, or you can also type your command here, docker full WordPress. That's it. It will take little time, so keep patience. Okay, now installation is done. As you can see, you can also use a Windows command prompt, or if you are using Linux, then Linux terminal, or Mac, then Mac terminal. uh, it is your choice. And now minimize your browser, and um, as you can see, when I click the image, you can see here I have installed WordPress. What I need to do, click here to run. Just click run. Okay, here is some optional settings. You can set. I'm going to leave as it is. Just I'm going to run. Okay, it's now running. So here you can go to the command line, or you can stop or restart if you want. Okay, so just I'm going to again open browser. We are going to run this command, docker run. Okay, then some WordPress and this. Okay, we are in command line, so we need to paste the command. And okay, now it should be run. Okay, here, there it is. You need to click. You can see some WordPress. Just click here, open in browser. Voila, WordPress installation is complete. Now the post configuration, you need to select your language. Okay, let's go, and next. Okay, so before that we need to set our database name.
A few moments later.
You can see we have now installed the Marina database, MySQL database 5.7 with WordPress. So before we only installed WordPress, so there was a problem, database error. So now we figure out the problem. So what you need to do, you need to just uh, type extra command for database. You need to create a directory, as you can see, uh, mkdir WordPress. Okay, then after that you need to add some text, okay, some database credential. As you can see, this credential you need to add your docker compose.yml. Where you gonna find this file? You need to open your file manager, okay, and you can see I have created in the C directory, okay, C directory, and I have created new text file. Then you need to rename this file and add it as a notepad, okay. And now you need to copy paste this database credential. After that, what need to do, open again your terminal and again run the command docker compose up and d, okay. Then it will take some time for downloading the database, and after that you can see our database is running. So again open your docker app. You can see our WordPress is running with the database, okay, MySQL database 5.7 and the WordPress latest one. And now you can open the WordPress from here. Just you can see now select the language, click continue, uh, type your site title, install the WordPress. No need to set up your extra database file here, it will automatically. If you want to change your database credential, you need to open again your the uh, compose file, docker compose file in your file manager, and edit as edit with notepad, and you can see here the MySQL root password and database username. Okay, you need to change with your credential, okay. This is local machine, so no need to worry, you can choose as you want, okay. As you can see, our installation is done. Now you can log in from here. Just click to login and enter the credential, username admin, and the password is admin at 1984, and good to go. That's it, guys. uh, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. We will post and other method to install WordPress, like how to install WordPress in LAMP, MAMP, and WAMP, and Bitnami WordPress, whatever the method is, how you can use your WordPress in local machine. So we will post new videos in next few days. So please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like the video. Thank you, guys.